Hello guys, this is Ghost Power Ugiagbe. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money online, how you can make $5 to $100 online. So what you just have to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can go and start making this $5 to $100 online for 100% free. So if this sounds so good to you, all you just need to do is to keep on watching, and all I want from you now is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let me take you now to my smartphone and you can start doing this. And this website is almost available in all countries. So that is why I said you should watch this video to learn how you can make money with this method. It's 100% free, and let us head over to my smartphone. As you can see, this is the website you are going to use today to make $5 to $100, like I said from the beginning of this video. So the first thing you have to do on this website is to register. So for those of you who don't know Earnably is a platform that allows you to watch videos, downloading applications, taking surveys. You do a bunch of things and you are getting paid on PayPal and other payment method that you can see here. So what you have to do is to click my link, the first link. It will be the first link in the description. If you click on it, you are going to use my link to register, and you are going to get 10%. It's a win-win. You are going to make 10%. Me too, I'm going to make it 10% from you, from anything that you are doing on this website. As long as you are making money, I will be making a share from it. You are going to be getting your money complete, but I'm going to be getting a share from anything that you do. So I just want you to understand this. If you use my referral link, if you don't want, it's okay. You can just go and sign in, register on this website, which is called Earnably. So how this website works is that they allow you to, like what I said, take surveys, answer questions, and you will get paid in return. It's very, very simple. Watching videos, you are getting paid. I will show you everything. And this website is available almost all countries. So I will show you where the country that is available on this website. So let me quickly show you the country that is available on this website before you go and register. So I will show you. So to see if your country is available before you watch this video to the end, what you have to do, you need to click on this section under support. You see the section where you say get help. If I click on get help, it will bring me here. So once it bring me here, I'm going to type in country available. So you can see when I type in country available at the bottom here, so it pop up this under the help center of Earnably. So if I click on it, it says is Earnably available in my country. If I click on it, it will pop this up. So here you can look through to see if your country is here. So if your country is here, you can know that this website is available in your own country. So if it's not available, there's other video I made about how you can make money online. You can go and watch them. The links of all those videos will be in the description below, and I'll tag some, and you can still go to my YouTube channel to see or to check out other free way that you can use to make money online for 100% free, just like this one. So let us go and register on this website. So we'll go back to Earnably homepage now that you know the country that is available to use that, or country that is allowed to use this website, which is called Earnably. So let us go to the homepage now to register. So we are on the homepage of Earnably now. So to register is very simple. Click on the section where it says sign up. So once you click on sign up here, it's going to bring you here. What you have to do, enter your email, your username, your password, and you scroll down, you enter your phone number, you click on confirm that you accept the terms and conditions, terms of service and privacy policy of Earnably. And if you want to receive an occasional email from them, you can click on I want to receive occasional email with Earnably. And yeah, you can click on that and you click on sign up. Boom, congratulations, your account will be created. So make sure that you remember your login details, which is your username, your password, and your email account, and the phone number you use to register, because that is what you are going to be using to access it if you have any problem, or if you want to log in, or if you want to change your password. So what they are going to send you an email. Earnably is going to send you an email for verification. You will check the email you enter to register on this Earnably account, and you click on that, and your account will be verified. So once your account will be verified, go back again to Earnably homepage here, and you need to click on the section where you say login. I will click on login now. So once I click on login here, it's going to bring you say welcome back, and you need to enter your email and your password to log into your own account. So I'm going to enter my email and password and log into my own account. So as you can see, I have just logged into my own account. So you can see this is my my account now, and this is my current balance, which is 67.9, which is 67 cents on my own account currently, which is 1 cent on Earnably. So those are methods that you can start using now to make money with Earnably. So what you have to do is to click on any preferable one you want to use through and make money with Earnably. So how it works, if I click on this section where it say AdSense Media, if I click on AdSense Media here, so it's going to pop this up asking me to follow instruction if I'm using a mobile or computer. So I'm going to choose what I'm using, and it's going to pop this up. And as you can see here, you can see that you can start watching video from this website, which is called Hideout TV, and you will make money. So if I click on anything here, like let me say for example, you can see this Alibaba application. If I click on this Alibaba application, download it, I will make 21 cents for downloading this Alibaba application. It just so on, it keeps on going. So that is how you can make money with this website. And if we go back again, let us go back again, and let us say we want to use this as add get reward. If I click on add get reward, it's going to display just the same thing that it displayed last time, and it will still show you option that you can go and start using to download application, and you are getting paid in return. You can see this website which is called App Karma. I have made video about App Karma. You can go and watch this video about App Karma. If I click on App Karma here, it's going to tell us the instruction what we have to do to be able to get this our point. If we reach everything that we see here, if we complete the task according to what they are asking us to do, we are going to get this point. That is it. Follow the requirement and complete the offer, and you are going to get peace. As you can see what he said, it's a first time user, get the app plus complete a different event in order to get huge reward. So it depends on the let me say you can see how you can follow the instruction. You have to install it. You have to reach 800 points. You have to reach 1000 points. You have to reach 1500 points. You have to install an N badge level 1 and playtime badge level 2 and playtime badge level 1. So those are things that you have to do to redeem your cash, and that is it. If we go back again to this application or this website which is called Earnably, you can see too that you can earn money with Hideout TV. If you see at the top where you say earn reward by watching videos with Hideout TV, earn 0.7 point per 3 ad. If I click on it now, it's going to take us to this application which is called Hideout TV. I have made video about Hideout TV. If you want to learn how you can watch videos and make money, you can go and watch the video that will pop up right now. So here you will see that I can watch video and I will earn 0.7 point per 3 ad that pop up, and I will still make money for watching that particular video that I click that I want to watch. So that is how it works, guys. I hope you are following instruction of how you can make money with this method. And if you go back again here, another way you can make money with this method is when you click on this 3 icon here, you can click on the invitation program where you can refer people to this program, and you will earn 10% of their lifetime earnings. You can see say earn 10% of their earnings for life. So that is what I'm saying here. So you refer anyone to this program, you are going to be making 10% lifetime from anything that they do on this platform. As long as they make points, they get rewarded, you are going to be getting rewarded too. So that is the way that you can use to make money with this website which is called Earnably. So before we end it, let me show you how you can redeem your money. Let me say you hit the minimum amount of cashing out, which is 100 points. 100 points on this website is $1. So let us say I have 100 points. I want to withdraw my money. I will just click on this icon too. I click on reward here. It's going to show me other payments and rewards that I can use to cash out my money. So let me say, for example, I want to use PayPal. I will click on PayPal here, and I will select the amount, select my PayPal account, and I will click on any one of amount that I've redeemed here. You can see $1 is 125 points. They added the fee. The fee is 25 points. Normally $1 is 100 points. The fee is 25 points. So that is what I want to say. You can see that you can earn up to $100. Like I told you from the beginning of this video, you can make up to $100 with this website. You can make up to even from $1 to $100, not even $5, like I said from the beginning of this video. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know now that you can make money with this website, and all I just want you to do for me now is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will end this video from here. You already know everything on how you can make money, how you can withdraw your money, and the available country to use this application or website which is called Earnably. So I'm going to end this video from here, and if you like this video, all I just want you to do, like I used to say, hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, And if you want to make money with affiliate marketing or affiliate program and make good amount of money online, you can watch the first video here. And if you want to make money with crypto, you can watch the second video in the description. So, or you can watch the second video that will pop up on at the bottom. So I will say thank you very much, guys. This is Gospel Ugiagbe. Let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.